Today we're targeting the obliques with the standing cable or band oblique twist. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, facing the anchor point, and grip the cable or band with both hands. Keep your arms extended straight or bent at a 90-degree angle. Both are effective, so go with what feels comfortable for you. As you initiate the twist, rotate your torso away from the anchor while keeping your core fully engaged. Make sure your hips stay stable and don't rotate with your upper body. Now here's the most important part. On the return, move slowly and with control. This keeps the obliques under tension longer, maximizing strength and endurance. As you twist, exhale deeply to power the movement, and on the slow return, inhale through your nose. Keep your spine straight and core tight throughout. Perform the twist on each side, feeling every part of the movement. Remember, the slower the return, the more effective the exercise will be in building those obliques.